Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an invoice in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the billing section. From the menu on the left side, click Invoices. This section acts as the main hub for managing invoices, including creating new ones, reviewing drafts, and tracking payments that have already been sent or completed. Once everything is ready, click the Create Invoice button. Stripe will immediately generate a draft invoice for you. A draft allows you to prepare and review the invoice safely before it is delivered to the customer. Next, choose the customer you want to bill. If the customer already exists in your Stripe account, simply select them from the drop-down list. If they are new, click Add New Customer and enter their name and email address. Then, choose the currency in which you want to bill customer. After that, it is time to add the products or services you are charging for. You can click Add One-Time Item if you want to create a custom charge manually, or you can select a previously saved product from your Stripe catalog. Enter a clear description for each item along with the quantity and price. Providing detailed descriptions helps customers understand exactly what they are paying for and reduces confusion later. You can also apply discounts or coupons if needed. If taxes apply to the invoice, select the appropriate tax rates that you previously configured inside Stripe. Before moving forward, carefully review all the information. Under the Payment Collection section, configure your payment terms and due date. Clear payment terms make expectations easier to understand and help improve the chances of receiving payment on time. Before sending the invoice, click Review Invoice to preview how it will appear to the customer both as an email and as a PDF document. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invoice. Stripe will email the invoice to your customer along with a secure payment link where they can review and pay the invoice online. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create an invoice in Stripe. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.